morning to my fellow friend and our lecturer Sir Fadila. Today our group will be presenting topic 6 and topic 7. First of all, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Veronica Anarodi, and with me today are my group mates Elizabeth, Julia Ana Gaya, Eliza Uringjuk, and Memisa Ana Anta. Now we would like to begin our presentation.
Hi, my name is Mimisa Ananta. My register number is 20D821F1020. I will be present about 4 staffing process in organization to increase the sale year 2022, and 3 more staffing process will be continued by my teammate Eliza. The first staffing process is human resource planning. The management of Panasonic Holding need to determine the number of employees and the type of workforce, whether from inside or outside the organization, that is needed to carry out the organization operation in 2022. 4 basic steps in human resource planning: planning for future needed, planning for to balance the future, planning for hiring, selection or termination, and planning for the growth. In order to perform this 4 steps, human resource manager of Panasonic Holding must consider 2 factors: is primary factor and secondary factor. Primary factor is organization strategy plan. Secondary factor is changes in external environment, for example, market, economy, and others. The Panasonic Holding need to make 2 forms of evaluation. Current evaluation. This is because it involves job analysis and human resources status check in 2022. Future evaluation. This involves assessing workforce need based on the goal and strategy of the organization to increase sales at the year 2022. Secondly, recruitment is the process of identifying a qualified individual in applying for vacant position in an organization. 2 methods of recruitment can be used of the management Panasonic Holding are internal hiring and external hiring. Internal hiring refers to the employees who are currently employed in the organization and have worked in the organization in the past. Before hiring the employee, Panasonic must check the employee record to identify whether the employee is eligible to continue working at the company. The advantage of internal hiring is the selected employee is familiar with organization policy and procedure, facilitate the communication process among the employees, save cost, time, and energy, especially in term training. For the external hiring, it refers to the hiring of people outside the organization. Method of external hiring is applicant submit application form, professional body, service of job agency, and others. The advantage of external hiring is gain competitive insight. New employees have a strong motivation to complete the job responsibility effectively and efficiently. Thirdly, selection. Selection is the process of selecting the most qualified candidate from the group applicant to fill a vacancy in the organization. The management of Panasonic Holding must review application form, conducting the first interview, conducting evaluation and test, conducting the secondary interview, and judge of form. Type of the test that must be checked on the employee is IQ test and knowledge test, personality and psychology test, skill and achievement test, and drug test, test on the interest to perform the test, and the last one is assessment center. Induction and orientation. This is because to conduct the reduce the employees' stress in organization by familiarizing them with organization policy, assisting employer and organization environment. The objective induction and orientation is reduce feeling of anxiety and worry among the new employee, enable new employee to feel more comfortable.
Hi, my name is Eliza Uringjuk. I will continue with another step study process in organization to increase the sales year 2022 for Panasonic Holdings is training. After selection of an employee, the important part of the program is to provide training to the new employee. With the various technological change, the need for training employees is being increased to keep the employees in touch with the various new development. Besides that, development is another step staffing process in organization. A sound staffing policy provides for the introduction of a system of planned promotion in every organization. If employees are not at all having suitable opportunities for their development and promotion, They get frustrated, which affect their work. Furthermore, promotion. The process of promotion implies the upgradation of the employees to higher posts involving increasing rank, prestige, and responsibilities. Generally, the promotion is linked to increment in wages and incentive, but is not essential that always relates to that part of an organization. For the last point is transfer. Transfer means the movement of an employee from one job to another without increment in pay, status, or responsibilities. Therefore, the process of staffing needs to evaluated on a timely basis. My friend Veronica and Rudy will continue with question 2.
Next, for question 2, require decision-making technique to increase the sale for the year 2022. To increase the sale for the year 2022, Mr. Robot can apply the brainstorming technique. By using this technique, every member will be given opportunity to provide their own ideas, and the best idea will be selected to help the decision-making process, whereby this technique also encourages creative thinking. Usually, this technique requires 6 to 12 people. Other than that, Mr. Robot can be using the nominal group technique. This technique limits discussion held during the decision-making process, and all members are involved in the decision-making process. For this technique, there are 4 steps that should be done. First, the team members meet as a group and will be informed of the problem faces. Next, every member will present ideas verbally, and ideas will be recorded. Then a discussion will be held in order to provide an explanation and make an evaluation. Last but not least, every member will evaluate the ideas and determine the idea with the highest aggregate.
Good morning, sir. My name is Elizabeth Janwa Nagaya. Today, I want to present about the advantage of group decision making. First, we are able to collect more information. So, group can collect more information collectively based on the various background of its members. Information obtained by managers who make decisions on their ideas and experience. After that, we are able to form many effective alternatives. Collecting more information enable the formation of more alternatives. When a make decision, the group members tend to support the implementation of the decision compared to when the decision is made by one manager alone. Next, high acceptance level. Team members tend to feel that the decision made is their mutual right, and this mutual perception motivates them to implement the decision successfully. Lastly, the advantage of group decision making is increase in the acceptance of right. Group decision making is parallel with the democratic management style. Therefore, decision made by group may be better accepted by other employees compared to decision made by one individual.